What's up guys, Anubhav here. Welcome back to a brand new video here on the channel. Now it's already the first week of March, and one of the things that you guys wait for and I wait to make for the first week of a month is the best Android app video for that particular month. That being said, today we're checking out 10 amazing applications that you should definitely download for the month of March 2020. So without any further ado, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, let's get started. Alright guys, so the first application on the list is called AMOLED Backgrounds for Reddit, and essentially it lets you preview, download wallpapers from the subreddit of AMOLED Backgrounds. So if you, in case you follow this subreddit or you just like finding new cool AMOLED backgrounds that will make your home screen look absolutely sick, then you should definitely download this application. The wallpaper that I currently have set on my screen is also from this very application. So in case you want to check it out, be sure to check it from the link in the description below. It's a really cool AMOLED wallpaper, and it'll make your home screen look that much better. So yeah, check it out. Alright guys, next up we've got an application called Fraxel, and this is essentially an interactive fractal art generator. And basically what you can do with this application is create different kinds of artworks by clicking as well as rotating your phone using your sensors to essentially generate new fractal arts on a never-ending generator. And you can also select different presets and add them. On the free one, there's just the classic and the chroma. There are other options that you can select as well as add different mirror effects and motion smoothing. However, it's a really cool application because it lets you pass the time, create some really incredible visuals, and you can also record the visuals that you make in form of videos using the app itself. So it's a really cool fractal art generator with a lot of other features that make it the extremely functional application that it is. So yeah, definitely check it out, link in the description below. Alright guys, next up we've got an icon pack called Gradient Icon Pack, and in case you're looking for squared soft icons which have sort of a MIUI feel to them, is it just me or does this icon pack have a MIUI feel to it? And along with a lot of other wallpapers which have a gradient, so much for having a pun here, but either way, this icon pack has a collection of over 2000 icons that you can download and set on the launcher of your choice. All the icons have this glowy, super soft, flat look, which is obviously reminiscent of MIUI. So in case you guys want to, set a wallpaper, set an icon pack like this, definitely check it out. Link in the description below. Alright guys, next up we've got an application called Halo, and wait, what did just happen on the screen? Yeah, this is a night mode application that not only lets you select the color palette of the night mode filter that you add on your phone, but also clarify things like the intensity and the brightness, as well as remotely set the application to turn it on automatically whenever you're using the phone during night time. Now essentially this helps you block off some of the dangerous rays, not boggle your brain with these blue lights that are emitted by all our smartphones these days, and essentially help you sleep a little easier when you're using your phone down on bed. So definitely check it out, link in the description below. Alright guys, next up we've got HexPress, and this is essentially all types of musical instruments on your phone. You can use it for learning, playing and composing music whenever you have the time. Now essentially it has a collection of different instruments such as synths and violin, and you've got your drum kit as well as bass guitar, electric guitar, vocals as well as synthesizers and stuff like that. And all in all, it just lets you pass the time. Think of it like the GarageBand application, the practical part of that application on an Android phone with an incredibly fluid UI, and I'm sure you guys will get the idea on how to use it and how it actually performs. I would have liked a few more features such as the ability to record something that you end up playing or cooking up here, but for now it's just a collection of different instruments and different vocal samples that you can play in different chord progressions. And essentially if you're a music nerd, then this is going to definitely entice you, so check it out. Alright guys, next up we've got an application called NetGuard, and if you've ever come across a situation where you don't want an application that is running in the background or not even running properly to use an internet connection or borrow from your Wi-Fi or your mobile data, this is the best application to do so. So essentially you can isolate different applications, all applications on your phone, from whether they'll be allowed to use the internet when they're not running or not. You can also manage your system apps, but I wouldn't really allow you to mess up, especially since this application works on non-rooted devices. You need to turn a master switch on to turn essentially this cool little quirk on, but with this you can control which apps get your internet access and which apps don't. So yeah, check it out. Alright Alright guys, next up we've got an application called Way Plaza, and essentially this is an application that lets you figure out the aesthetic musical talents of the vaporwave genre. So if you're a fan of lo-fi music, or if you listen to some chill pop or chill hip or something like that, essentially modernized electro techno music with a soothing beat on it, and you want a radio application of the same, this is a very cool app to find such music constantly running in the background. Definitely check it out. If it's your thing, you'll definitely end up liking it. Alright, next up we've got a really handy application called Search by Image, and essentially this application lets you click a picture of anything and everything and then searches it on the relevant search engines such as Yahoo, Bing and Google, and basically you can find out information about the picture you've clicked, or essentially search something on the internet using an image. It works half of the time. For example, you can see that right now the photo was sort of rotated, and when I searched it by image, it did not find out that it was the box of a Galaxy S10. Instead, it just showed me pictures with similar numbers written on it. However, when I went back and I rotated the image to the particular ratio that it was supposed to be so that the S10 logo is upright, and when I searched that, it worked perfectly and it showed me a ton of results about S10. It gave me video ideas and all of that good stuff. So you've got to be careful with it, make sure the photo is lined up correctly, but when it does work, you will be amazed to see the results that it has to give you. So definitely check it out, link in the description below. So if you've ever wanted to get the Windows 10 experience on an Android smartphone, this application called WinX Launcher is definitely going to take you by surprise. So as I said, this is a launcher which is modeled upon Windows 10 and tries to replicate some of that on an Android home screen. I was pleasantly surprised by the entire taskbar thing as well as the file manager, which literally opens up your internal storage, but has that entire Windows 10 feel and theme to it. You can also download and add different themes as well as enable different types of features. There is no practical reason to actually do this, but just in case you want to have some fun, you want to get that Windows look and surprise a few friends, then this is a really cool app to do so. So definitely check it out, link in the description below. Alright guys, so last but definitely not the least, we've got this super cool game called Car Ramp Jump, and essentially I was looking for something fun, something to pass the time the other day, and I found this game on the Play Store. And essentially the point of this game is to upgrade your engine as well as your boost, and then throw your car down a ramp and see how far you can travel without really crashing into things and stopping. It is really fun. The leveling up system as well as the amount of money that the game gives you every time you play makes the entire upgrade process a breeze, and is one of the most progressive games I've ever seen. It is really fun, it's really cool, you should definitely check it out, link in the description below. And well guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. If you guys did like it, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and until then, this is Anubhav signing out. I'll catch you guys next time. You guys have a great day. Peace out.